Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you own stickers and the required currency. This avoids mid-process interruptions. Once ready, open your hero loadout and tap the sticker icon in the top right. This brings up available sticker categories. Make sure to select a hero slot so you can preview how each sticker changes stats or visuals. Doing this now saves time later because you'll know which stickers are compatible and which ones you can't equip together. Next, focus on selecting stickers that change core performance, damage, attack speed, or cooldown. You should compare options and prioritize a single primary boost rather than stacking weak bonuses. Once done, use the filter buttons to display rarity or equipped status so you avoid duplicates. Tap a sticker to view the preview on your hero, and when satisfied, press Apply or Attach. This updates loadout instantly. You can swap during prep screens, but avoid changing mid-wave unless necessary. Finish by confirming and saving your sticker loadout, then test it in a quick match to validate synergy with other heroes. If you need adjustments, swap stickers between heroes in the loadout screen. Be careful because some combinations reduce overall effectiveness. If a sticker fails to apply, check inventory space, ensure you have enough currency, and verify rarity or level restrictions. These are the usual blockers. If problems persist, restart the client. That often clears temporary UI glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.